Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a hyperlink to a text box in Power BI. If you've ever wanted to let your viewers or users jump straight from a dashboard to a website, a document, or any resource with a single click, this is the simple and effective way to do it. By the end of today's tutorial, you'll be able to add clickable links to any text box, making your reports more interactive and super helpful for your audience. So let's jump right in. First, let's get started by inserting a text box into your report. In Power BI, head up to the top menu and look for the Insert tab. Once you're there, you'll spot the text box option. Go ahead and click on that. Your cursor will change and you'll be able to draw a text box anywhere on your report canvas. Think of this text box as a sticky note on your dashboard, somewhere you can add important information, instructions, or in this case, a handy hyperlink. Once your text box is added, it's time to type in the text you want. For our demo, I'll type hyperlink Power BI, but of course, you can use any phrase or words that make sense for your report. Now, it's not just about dumping text in. Imagine you might want your viewers to visit a support page, a documentation link, or maybe a source document for deeper analysis. Type in whatever is relevant. Now here, where the magic happens. Select the word or phrase that you want to turn into your clickable link. Just click and drag with your mouse over the word. In my example, I'll highlight Power BI. You'll notice that as soon as you highlight the text, a small toolbar pops up just above your selection. This is Power BI's inline formatting menu. Sometimes it's easy to miss, so if you don't see it right away, try highlighting again or wait a brief second. On that little toolbar, look for the icon that looks like a chain link. That's your hyperlink button. Click on it. A small pop-up will appear where you can enter the URL you want people to visit. For this demonstration, I'll use www.google.com, but you can enter any website address you need, maybe your company's homepage, a technical resource, or a document in SharePoint. Just be sure to type the full URL, including the www or HTTP as appropriate, to make sure it works properly. After you've entered the URL, click Done or the checkmark to confirm. Now you'll see that your selected text is underlined. This is the visual cue that it's a hyperlink. Give it a test. When you hover over it, your cursor should change to indicate it's clickable. If you click on it, Power BI will take you directly to the site you entered. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable hyperlink to your text box. It's a simple addition, but such a powerful way to guide your report viewers to more information, supporting documents, or any resource right from your dashboard. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the hang of the formatting tools. Once you've done it once, it'll feel completely natural. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, or if you want to share how you're using hyperlinks in your own Power BI reports, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Power BI tutorials and tips. See you next time.